Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today what I'm going to be doing is trying on some Samburu. I want to be able to learn how to roll my R's. I can't. If anyone knows how to teach me how to do that, I would really love it. Give me the instructions in the comments, pretty please. So the Samburu, they're from Cecilia de Raphael. They are the Alba 20 Den. They have a transparent panty that is matte. They have a sheer, and they say that they're sheer matte tights. They spell matte different on every place that they wrote it on the package. Okay, so they are sheer matte tights 20 Den. Ideal for everyday use. Will pair well with just about any outfit. With a reinforced brief and toe for increased durability, and it has a cotton gusset. This is in the size small, which is great. They are a black and it's cute. They have directions on how to put pantyhose on in the back. That's like super precious. Anyway, we'll open them up. I know. Hi, baby. You're just like at my feet. You want to come on up? Come here. Come on up. Yeah, come on up. There we go, my baby boy. Hi. Hi. How are you? Oh, you need a hug. Yeah, you need a hug. Sometimes we need love. Yeah. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Milo has a lot of affection needs. Thank you. And he needs face kisses every day. And hugs, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay. There we go. Okay, right. Yeah, we're gonna review these pantyhose. So, oh goodness. Easy package to open. I know y'all know that that's not my jam. Maybe I can pin this here for like just this moment in time. Okay. Ooh, they've got a pattern on it, I think. Do they? Am I tripping? Maybe it's possible. So, like they said, they have like the sheer panty boxer brief, the cotton gusset. These are small. It's going to be hard to fit my big booty in these. But yeah, they feel not too bad. I find CDRs like one of my favorite brands. Very subtle reinforced toe. The band looks like it probably would be comfortable. Milo's done with this. He's no longer interested. He's hanging out in the pythos plant that I have in my house. Oh yeah, this is my house, I guess. Oh, I didn't even show you the outfit I'm pairing it with. My goodness. Where's my head? Definitely not on my body. Okay. Again, we love a cute little flowery skirt. Oh yeah, I'm digging this. I have a cropped, again, of course. It has a little bit of like ruching off the shoulder. Long sleeve. Looks great because it pairs with the little white in the flowers. Ooh, you know what I'm doing as a hobby? I am learning how to dry flowers so that I can make bouquets. Like, isn't that precious? Sometimes I rave like a little gremlin, and then sometimes I learn how to make dried flower bouquets. Anyway, that was just a random tidbit. Without further ado, we're going to try these Samburu. You know what I'm saying. Samburu pantyhose. Tight and uncomfortable. It's just because of my booty, they feel like they're gonna rip. Let's see. pairing it with these black shoes because they're just easy peasy lemon squeezy and I like them. Oh my God, I need to take a photo of how cute Milo is right now. Oh my God. When he falls back asleep, I'm going to do it. Okay, but these pantyhose are fine. Like, I don't hate them. I guess my thing is I'm not big on matte pantyhose, but the quality feels really good. If I didn't have a caboose that was like womp for my size, I feel like they would be more comfortable because it does feel like on my booty that they're gonna rip, which would be like so inconvenient if you were going for the whole look of like black pantyhose and this. You know what? I might actually try white shoes with this because then it's like white, black, black, white. Like a reverse Oreo. We'll see. I'm back. Okay. Which ones do I like? The white brings it more cohesive, but it also, like, it's more of like womp color, which I think is not a bad thing. Yeah, so how would I rate this? I know I used to have like a Layla rating scale and I do not remember it. So we're just going to do like a 1 out of 10 situation. I would say this is like a 4.5, 5, just because I don't love the feel of them on my hands or my legs. And the small isn't big enough for my booty. I'm able to snap a photo of how cute my little dude is doing right now. So I had to stop what I'm doing to do that. I have like 1,000 photos of Milo sleeping on my phone. And I will continue to add to it. Anyway, I think this is about like a 4.5 or 5. I feel like that is kind of harsh, but they're just not my favorite. But I mean, like, I feel like if you're into matte pantyhose, it would be a good choice. And they do seem durable. And again, if I didn't have a booty, they would be more comfortable. But yeah, let me know if you have ever tried the Samburu from CDR. And if you like them or if you prefer a different brand for matte pantyhose, you could always let me know. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, you all are the best. I appreciate how you watch my videos every week and the way you boost me up in the comments. Mwah! It's wonderful. If I'm ever having a bad day, just read your comments and I'm like, I'm a queen. So thank you for that. Like I said, probably, maybe, I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Mwah.